Okay, maybe I am cheating. Huh? Yo, hello?
昨天那个主播，我开始也不知道。
Oh, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so back. No, 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 no. No! Oh, frick, no. Like, I'm playing well, but dude, if I was just playing like a little bit better, this game's like not even close.
这波再一倍速看。1倍速啊！最后看一遍啊！最后看一遍不看了，看好了0.25倍速啊！看那个准星。
Widow hacker? Bro, can just take a look at my profile, bro. It's been a minute since I've gotten Accusated. Feels kind of nice, honestly. I mean, I was just really greedy for that. We're hitting top 10 today for sure. Fuck cheater? Hmm? No. I think he's asking if I'm Korean. Like, what kind of lobbies am I in, bro? This guy really calling for a draw, bro?
After all this. I don't like having my time wasted.
Bro.
哎 ，What the fuck? No draw? 西巴，你自己西巴，我拉的不呀？哎 ，Widow， why cheater？ 西巴自己。
What the fuck are you waffling about?
Hey, you are fucking cheater, bro. You are fucking cheater. I see you your way. You are fucking cheater.
Yo, what?
You are fucking cheater. You are fucking cheater. Wait, you are fucking cheater, bro. You are fucking cheater, bro. This game, well, I know. I don't want to win. You are fucking cheater, bro.
Bro, just check my stream. You can even look at my account. How am I cheating?
Report it, cheater.
Well, you're baiting,
You can
right?
say just once and call it a day, bro.
Hey, why? Wait, no draw. Wait, no draw.
Huh?
We can. I mean, they're not drawing.
They're not drawing. Because I'm
They're
not a...
drawing.
I mean, thanks.
Might as well just play, brother.
Again. Ah, GG.
Hey, why cannot win? You are fucking cheater. Why cannot win?
Bro, are you... Yo, no, you gotta be trolling, bro. You gotta be trolling. What the fuck?
Bro, open
Huh?
high, open high. 100 open high, please. Open.
What?
100% hacker. Let's go.
Oh shit.
What are you...
That guy's hacking too.
Yeah, nah, you had a headshot? Nah, he's cheating for sure.
They don't want to draw. Why they don't want to draw?
Why don't I want to draw?
Oh no, I see there.
Ah,
I don't know,
shit.
brother.
That guy's cheating for sure.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on? Oh, I can't even play the game, man.
Hey bro, where you draw from?
What the fuck are you saying? Hey, buddy, check my stream. I'm not
Hey, bro.
cheating. You are fucking terrible and you're just mad you got shit on.
You are cheating.
Play the
I see
fucking
you,
game.
bro, you are cheating. You are cheating.
Wait,
Hey,
how are you
why,
ranked
bro?
12? Oh, hell no. Wait,
Let's
you are
go,
a win
man.
trader?
Let's go to man, bro. You are
Wait,
cheating.
you
Let's
have
go
got to
to
be a win
man,
trader.
bro.
There is no way.
Let's go. What?
How is this guy even remotely close to top 10?
Bro, if you smelt it, you dealt it, bro. Dog, you might be cheating.
What? He sounds like my math teacher. I think he's baiting.
Are you DMA, bro?
Linksa Jimmy
what?
duo? Wait, is it actually Linksa? Is that Linksa?
Hey,
Bro,
wait, bro.
Huh?
I have a code.
you have a code? All right, send me the code.
Yeah. Last map, beat town. We have code.
Okay. What in the code is? Where am I cheating?
Yeah, I think it's on his account too. If it's the code of him last game.
What? Well, I have two Overwatch League players.
I mean, he did play the game.
Calling me a cheater, bro.
Hey, everybody, I'm top 10. Top 10. I don't lie,
that mean?
okay? I'm not joker. I'm joking. I think we do.
But it's
Hack.
top.
Okay, number 12. Sorry, my bad. Number 12.
He's on top here.
Oh.
He got caught. Widow kit.
Doing God wars can get
We
past
don't
50-50?
cap. Okay, agree, bro.
Dude, wait. I'm being told you are Linksa. Are you actually Linksa? You are Linksa. You still Linksa? 是吗？真的还是假的? Bro, like, I'm not even playing well, but this guy's just like convinced I'm cheating. Watch it. Yo, Panda, appreciate the 5
逼养
months.
着让你
man.
说话，你他妈你聋吗？你他妈开个外挂，你他妈去死啊你啊！操你妈的！
What?
Cannot have you by that.
What the fuck is he saying? Bro, what? You got one trick named
不是你他
Vampy?
妈开个挂，你对不过对面黑百合，你他妈去死啊你！我他妈服
喂
了！不是你他妈开什么呢？不是你他妈开挂都开不明白吗，兄弟？你他妈你挂都开不明白吗？你他妈去死吧你！我操！你妈的他妈科学都不管用，你废了兄弟，你废了，真的，去死吧！那挂都开不明白，去死吧！
Bro, like, what is? Why are these Chinese? Yo, are you sure? Are you sure that's Jimmy?
超级的对不过，你他妈你在玩什么呢，兄弟？你把黑百合给我，快，你妈回去换吧，把黑百合给我，快点！
Yo,
你把
what?
黑百合让出来给我玩，快点！
Wait, you're
真他妈
sure?
丢人！
Oh, my bad. We'll get him
你
this
他
time.
你他妈对不过对面，几比几了？
You're 100% sure. That is the real Jimmy and Langsa. The Overwatch League players are accusing a Taiwanese American player
You
of
got it, bro. I
cheating.
believe in you. Alright, let's. Oh, you got popped.
不是你他妈上马在对面他妈割枪锁老子，他妈的
Buddy,
你
you're
在
also
打
8
How
and
is
10.
that my fault?
You are also 8 and 10.
啊，你他妈你在玩什么呢？把对面黑百合是不是也是挂？
超级烂啊！
啊，合着你
哦，操你妈！干你娘呀！What the fuck are you saying, bro? Speak English, NA server. Holy shit.
你会说中文啊？你整你妈一房的，你会说中文啊？他妈洋的
You dead in spawn, brother.
意思啊？不是你会是吧？你不是会说中文吗？不是你不会是砸出来的吧？喂，
It's just walk.
Oh no!
I'm through
不
this
会是
shit.
砸出来的吧？啊，哥们儿
What?
啊！
Damn. Yeah, nice try, guys.
NT.
Sorry bro,
Yeah,
sorry
surely.
bro, sorry bro, sorry bro, sorry bro。不是他妈开挂对不过对面黑百合，你他妈这个挂开的有什么意义呢？我操！
What is he saying, bro? Wow, how are my OWL players 8 and 10, 8 and 11? What the fuck was that? YouTube video right there? I guess so. Bro, I'm not even like, this is my warm-up games, bro. Oh, wait. They can't even check my fucking, wait, they can't even check my stream because they're in China. Oh, shit. Wait, they can't even compete in OWCS either. They have no competition. They have no way to compete. Can't make money with Overwatch anymore, bro. Oh my god, I got them again. Bro's so good in Boblo that he's getting allegations? Like, yeah, deadass. Our player says I'm cheating. They tell me to kill myself in Chinese. I couldn't respond due to Mewstreak. It's actually too good, bro. Delete that VOD, please. Okay, maybe I am cheating. Yo, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, I am cheating. Sure. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sit down. Touch. Oh, see NT. Easy. Bad? GG. Well, I fun that game. Did I put that Quino in the video? Maybe. Maybe. I might have to, bro. This shit against the fucking Chinese, these fucking Chinese Overwatch League duo is actually too funny, man. Do it 24/7? You're not? Limit is hacker. He give you money, bro? Wait, what? What?
Yeah, man, can you stop cheating?
Yo, my fault, bro. I don't know. I played like, I didn't even play that well. I played against fucking Jimmy and Langsa. And after the game, they said I was fucking cheating, and then they threw my next game because they thought I was cheating.
It's over for you.
It's over, bro.
They got you on the hit list, bruh. It's over.
What the fuck? This one a dub for sure. We'll see. Oh my god. Here. Kyriel's OP. Yo, Mr. Zawman. Hey, man. Yo. Huge raid. Oh my god. Huh? Yo, hello? Yo. Yo, hello? No fucking way.
老天喂饭吃。这是昨天那个主播，我开始也不知道，后面谁又跑过来跟我说，
Yo, yo, these fucking Chinese players are in with the fucking Blizzard employees. Wait, these guys got mob ties, bro. Hello? Wait, the Chinese are just too powerful. No way, they actually thought I was cheating. I'm done, bro. That's actually too fucking funny. The balancing system, the report system, that's definitely good. That's real and true. Game got canceled too for cheating. Bro, this is the first time this has ever happened to me. What the fuck? Yeah, account banned. Click for more details. Yeah, no, bro, it's banned. What? Bro, I've been playing on this account since Overwatch 1. I'll try to get it back after the stream. Wait, but that's fucking insane.